friends, our project is solar street light with 1 watt LED. Here we are introducing ourselves. Myself is Monik Modi. My group member is Jatin Patel, our group leader Chitna Patel and Nilesh Sharma. Here we are from the College of Vishwakarma Government Engineering College and board is GTU, Gujarat Technical University, and the field is Power Electronics branch. So now we can see the required element of a project. From this, the basic level is that here you can see that first of all in our project we are using a total 9 LED. 9 LEDs which are connected into 3 pairs in series connection. An LED we are using is 1 watt SMD LED. SMD means surface mounting device. So which is gives a 110 luminous of the light intensity. So this is the next level is the LED lead acid batteries, which is 26 hour amperes, which is we say that rechargeable lead acid batteries. And then here the PCB in which we are using a MOSFET, microcontrollers, diodes, some kind of these resistors and elements. Then the solar panel, which is 42 watts. So in this, now we can understand the functionality of the system. We are categorized in the 3 modes. First of all, first mode is battery charging, second active mode, and third is LED glowing mode. Now in first mode, when the solar light is focused on the panel, the multimeter measures the voltage. The multimeter is measure the voltage greater than 12 watt. So this time the battery is in charging mode, and then in charging mode we can see about by this the LED green LED is glowing. So in this we are when the rechargeable battery is in this. So the second is active mode. The active mode at the rating between the 12 watt to 0.37 watt, this region voltage value is called the active mode. Not that the battery is not charging in this mode. And we can see about this when some kind of solar light is not focusing on the solar panel. So and we can obstructing. This active mode is there is no charging of batteries, no any kind of glowing of LED, nothing. This mode reduces the consumption of the energy, especially during the cloudy atmosphere. And now the third mode is which is called the LED glowing mode. LED glowing mode. From the name we can understand by the LED glowing. Here we are applying some kind of obstruction, and you can see the glowing of the LED. The glowing of the LED, absence of the light. LED glowing at the 0.37 voltage. At the second region we are talking about the active region, 12 watt to 0.37 watt. But when below the 0.37 voltage and there is no any kind of solar light is focusing on solar panel, the LED is glowing. So this is all about our projects and processing how it works. So now you can see the glowing of LED, and by this glowing of LED we are completing our project successfully. And thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot, friends. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.